So the inner part of the tent has got 2 parts, although they're connected. The one part is a sleeping compartment that goes all the way across the back, and the second part is like a porch type area that allows you to keep hold of your bag and look after your bag through the night. So if we open it up, so you can quite easily see, there's your little extra bit for the porch area, almost like a floor, and then here the bit in my hand is your sleeping area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to feed the sleeping area through first, because that's the back. So I'm going to dip down, bring it in, and then all I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw this into the corners here, just so it's out of the way. It will tidy it all up in a moment. Okay, and we'll put each of these in the correct corners, and you'll see how it's all coming together. Now, in each corner, if I do it the one closer to you, it works exactly the same up in each corner. You've got here a small open circled clip here, and then just on the inside you've got, put that away, a little plastic toggle. All you do is connect those one inside of the other, okay, like so. And then we do the same for each of the 4 sleeping compartment areas, and I'll do the same up the back. Okay, next thing you'll see is all these little yellow orange togs coming all the way around. Okay, here, and they go all the way around. Just up the side you'll see these little clips. Okay, you've got a clip there, there's a clip here, and so on all the way around. All you're doing, starting at the back, obviously, because if we start at the front we'll do it and we won't be able to get to the back. So starting at the back, you'll find the first clip, and it literally just feeds inside the little hook. Okay, so I'm sat on a bit of the material at the moment, so let's sort that out. So again, I have just said, but working from the back first, I just don't need to do it for the sake of demonstration purposes. We're going to hook these up, and we're going to go all the way around. Some of the tents, as they are so well used, some of these little toggles are damaged. It does mean that occasionally you might not be able to put all of them up. However, on each tent, I think wherever there's a damage, the worst is probably one toggle. So nothing that you need to get yourself worried about or think that it's going to be dropped down whilst you're sleeping. So I haven't done the back, but if I did, it would all be opened up now, and you can see you've got your sleeping area there. One thing I need to stress to you, which a lot of students just don't do on a night, is the importance of keeping your bedroom door closed, zipped up. Bugs, flies, bees, wasps, ants, everything that you can think of will be coming in here because it's a warmer place. So what you need to do when you're not using it is ensure that it's zipped up at all times to stop those bugs from coming in. If you wanted fresh air in, you'll see that this is double lined, so you can open up the door. Okay, it's a separate zip on the inside. You can open up the door, but not open, there it is, right in front of me. Okay. The netting, so that the netting's still closed, but the actual door isn't. So now if you look, the door's dropped down, but the netting's open, and that allows all the fresh air that you're after, but it stops the bugs from going in still. Well worth it. The amount of times that I have students that wake up saying, I've been bitten, or, you know, there's wasps and stuff in the tent and all that sort of stuff. After you've done a whole expedition, you're really tired. The last thing you want to do is have to fight through the night to try and be comfortable. Okay, so it's well worth taking my advice and keeping it zipped up at all times. The bottoms here, there is a space at the end for you to put another peg. In absolute honesty, I wouldn't bother. I'd quite simply lay it out flat, okay, and I would just put your rucksack on it, and I would just leave it as it is, because it saves you a bit of time, and any time that you can save after you've worked so much is going to be valued. So that's the putting up of the tent. As you can see, it's now totally complete and ready for you to have a good night's sleep. Thanks very much.